Welcome back, Milano Maniacs. Today we're going to replace the fuel filter and the fuel pump, and hopefully she'll run.
Fun fact, the fuel pump is on the driver's side of the car, but the fuel filter is on the passenger side. Oh, those crazy Italians. Oh, this fuel line is sketchy. Definitely have to replace this too. All right, I'm going to spray all these little connectors with PB Blaster. All right, so this line goes all the way back to the gas tank, and hopefully I can just disconnect this and drain everything into the gas can right here without spilling too much. Let's see. All right, it's about to pop off. Maybe I move the camera a little bit. Oh, that is nasty. You see the color of that gas? Jesus Christ. It's like brown gas. Oh no, it's on the GoPro. Save the GoPro. Look at all this brown goo that came out of the tank. Freaking nasty. All right, let's get this old pump out of here. This dang old hose is stuck. God, look at that brown goo coming out of the pump. That's disgusting. It doesn't even smell like gas. It smells weird. Come on, hose, what are you doing? Oh, getting closer. Jesus Christ. I've never had a hose so stuck. God, look at that nasty brown syrup. It's syrupy. Drippy drip, gross. So dang close. Come on. Ah, gasoline spill on the GoPro again. Dang it. So now that I have the pump fully disconnected, I'm going to hook up these test leads so that I can see if it's actually getting full power back here. All right, let's watch the meter while it cranks to see how many volts we're getting back there. 10? That's a little weak. I'll see if the pump can run okay on that, and if it can't, I'll rig up a relay or something. So I've noticed the supply side hose is falling apart as well, so I'm gonna have to take this off and run to the store and get a section of hose for it. See what I mean about it falling apart? Instead of pulling off the ferrule, it just broke apart. That's 30-year-old hose for you. So the original hose on this is 12 millimeter, and of course the parts supply store didn't have that. But I got 7/16, which is pretty close. Let's see if it's gonna fit. All right. All right, I had to go grab a different clamp because that old clamp just wasn't gonna work. So now let's finally go get the fuel pump hooked up. All right, so I took this little rubber sleeve off the old pump to put on this one. It helps with vibrations in the little clamp here. All right, we tighten this sucker down. Now we can hook up the little electrical connections. Have to go ungloved for these little things. Righty-tighty. Now we can put the output hose on. There we go. Tighten the clamp. Uh-oh. I think the clamp lost his nut. Here it is, found it. All right, now we need to cut the new fuel supply line to length. You're right about here ought to do it. Of course, I didn't cut it straight. That's better. Slip a new clamp on here. Shove her on. Yeah. I'm gonna see if I can't secure the power supply cable with a little zip tie here. Don't want it getting snagged on anything. Perfecto. Now we just need to go back over to the other side of the car and change the fuel filter, and this job will be done. Since I plan on replacing this little section of hose anyway, I'm just gonna cut it, and hopefully this time maybe we won't get gas on the GoPro. Nope, we still got gas everywhere. Dang it. All right, hopefully that's the extent of the gas spillage. We'll see. We remove this little clamp. I'm gonna slice the end of this hose here to help it release. Come on, you bastard. There we go. Of course, it looks like more gas got on the GoPro. Wipe you guys off. All right, so let's get this filter off. Yeah, I gotta say, I'm really tired of gas dripping on me. All right, I didn't have the camera rolling for the rest of that, so just imagine more gasoline going everywhere and me getting frustrated. That's pretty much what happened. So we have the new filter here. Slip it inside the ring. Connect up the back. Gotta get the little rubber thing somewhat straight. All right, let's get the new hose on. Tighten her up. Slide this new clamp down. Perfecto. This thing is being a pain to tighten. All right, that is done. Now let's see if she'll fire. All right, let's see what happens. She coughed a little bit. Let's give it a little squirt and see what happens. Oh, almost. Oh, so close. She's almost running. You know, I think there might be something wrong with the cold start circuit. So this is the cold start injector right here. And I can see one problem already is that the connector for it is broken. But I want to make sure it's even getting power. So I'm going to stick these into the connector here. And hook up my test cable. I'm going to check to see if we're getting power here as I'm cranking. All right, let's see. Looks like I have it hooked up backwards, but yeah, it's getting power.
Well, this is disappointing. I was really hoping that she'd just fire right up with a little bit of coaxing, but that's not looking to be the case. Next on the list of things to check is going to be the fuel pressure and also make sure I'm getting spark on all the cylinders. But all of that is going to have to wait for another day. Thanks for watching. See you next time.